Nothing OS 4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting software updates from the company yet. While the company hasn't revealed all the details, one thing is clear. This won't be just another Android version. Nothing OS 4 is expected to take the experience to the next level with smarter features, a cleaner design, and deeper integration with the iconic Glyph interface. With artificial intelligence playing a major role and performance improvements already in development, users can expect a faster, more responsive, and a much better experience overall. Nothing OS 4 is expected to launch between September and November 2025, following the same timeline as Nothing OS 3, which was released in stages last year. Carl Pei, CEO of Nothing, has confirmed that OS 4 will be based on Android 16 and will first arrive on the new Nothing Phone 3. Just like last time, the update will begin with an open beta before the final stable version rolls out to the public. This approach allows users to test new features early and help the company fix any issues before the full release. Looking back at the Nothing OS 3 timeline, the update was first introduced through open beta in October 2024, starting with the Phone 2 and Phone 1. The stable version was released in late December, and full rollout continued into early 2025. With OS 4, the company appears to be moving faster. Since the Phone 3 has already launched with Nothing OS 3.5, the full version of OS 4 is expected to arrive sooner compared to last year's rollout. Nothing OS 4 is not just about upgrading to Android 16. It will bring new features developed by Nothing, including better Glyph functionality, a cleaner user interface, and performance improvements. Glyphs may now support minigames and new notifications, all visible through the LED lights on the back of the Phone 3. The update may also include AI-powered tools and software enhancements that make everyday use smoother and more intelligent. By the way, do you have a Nothing phone? Which one is it? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Furthermore, the open beta for OS 4 is likely to begin early in Q3 2025, with the stable version following shortly after. The first device to receive the update will be the Nothing Phone 3, and after that, the update will roll out to the Phone 2, Phone 2A, and 2A Plus. After that, the Phone 3A and 3A Pro and CMF Phone 1 and the new CMF Phone 2 Pro. Compared to Nothing OS 3, this year's rollout is expected to be more organized and faster. Last year, users had to wait several months between the open beta and the stable release. This time, Nothing seems to have a tighter plan, aiming to deliver the final version of OS 4 sometime in December. With each new version, Nothing has moved closer to creating a unique identity in the Android world, and Nothing OS 4 could be the moment it all comes together. The stage is set, expectations are high, and the official countdown has quietly begun. Get ready because this update is coming, and it might be nothing like you've seen before. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Nothing OS 4? Are you excited about the launch? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.